How to make TikTok account not private. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to make your TikTok account not private, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What we need to do first is to go to our TikTok app. And now when I'm on my TikTok app, then you can see that my account is currently a private account. But if you want to switch your account to a public one instead, then what you need to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Perfect. Now we need to click where it says Settings and Privacy. When we have come to this page, then there's a lot of settings in here, but the one that we need to click on is where it says Privacy. Perfect. As you can see, in here where it says Private Account, mine is currently on. So to make my account public instead, then I just have to uncheck this. And now I need to click where it says Switch. Perfect. Now I'm going to go back to my account again. And as you can see, my account is now a public account and not a private account basically. So this is exactly how to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.